Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 4 XL. And this case is made by Ringke. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, this is the Ringke Fusion X design for Google Pixel 4 XL case, rugged TPU, crystal clear PC, protection, Google Pixel 4. This is the black one. It's $9.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, now here's the case. Ringke's simple wrapper, military grade protection, ultimate experience, eco-friendly package. Let's go ahead and take this out. So Ringke has the cards inside there, tells you how to install it if you want to. You don't need that. Put that to the side. Now here's the case. This is the Fusion X. I use this on a Note as well. These cases are nice. Rugged build, fits nicely. Got opening for your charging port, your speakers right there, your volume up and down rocker, and your power button. The power button has some ridges in it, so you can differentiate it from the volume up and down rocker. This is a mic hole right there. Nothing on this side. You got a spot for your lanyard right there, and the Ringke branding right there. You can kind of see through the buttons there. So it's not incredibly bulky, but it's going to give you good protection. You can see this area is raised right here. You'll see that when you put it on the device. It's well protected on the corners. I used it already, and I did drop the phone. Great protection, no problem. The phone just kind of bounced around, well protected. Clear back. The camera area is raised right there. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the device and see how it looks. Okay, let's put the Pixel 4 inside. Put the bottom in first. All right, now this case fits real nice and tight. So it's very snug, no movement around there. Not too bulky, you can still get your hand around the device, no problem. Everything lines up on the bottom, the speaker, the charger port, and the grill's right there. The power button, volume down rocker right there. Nothing on this side. You got your mic hole right there, lines up pretty well. And as you can see, the lip on the front is going to give you protection there. It's nicely done. Not too intrusive. The sides are not too high, so you might be able to use a screen protector. The camera area is well protected and it's finished, so that looks good. That's the back of it right there. You got a G showing through. All right, but it's a nice case and it fits this phone pretty well. You're going to get good protection. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the wireless charge. Let's put it on the charger and see what happens. Okay, so it picks up pretty easily, no problem there. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion X case for the Pixel 4 XL. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Nice case, fits really well. It's going to give you good protection. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.